Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I am sitting on my kitchen floor in surprising comfort because I'm sitting on a rug from Color&G. It's an anti-fatigue kitchen mat. Now, there's two sizes of these mats are the 17 by 29 and the 17 by 59 inches. I love how well they fit both at my kitchen sink and across the area in front of my stove. You have lots of room with this larger mat in front of the kitchen stove, so if you have to move to the side, either way, you're still getting that comfort and support from the anti-fatigue mat. Now, if you spend any time at all standing, whether it's in your kitchen or at your craft desk or at a standing desk when you're working, you know how quickly that hard flooring you're standing on becomes impossibly uncomfortable. So you really need the benefits of an anti-fatigue mat like this set from Color&G. Easy to clean. I can vacuum right over them. I can simply wipe them. They do not show dirt easily, they do not show spots easily, and that grippy back keeps them from sliding around. All in all, I've been so happy with this set of mats from Color&G, not only because they're durable and I like the color. This is the brown, and it comes in lots of other colors that you can choose from, but most importantly is how comfortable I am. No matter how long I'm standing at my kitchen sink or at my stove cooking, my legs and my feet do not get overly tired. So if you're in the market for being more comfortable wherever you're standing, I highly recommend you try out these anti-fatigue mats from Color&G, and that is my point of view.